Summer Haven is about 8,000 feet above Tucson in the Santa Catalina Mountains on Mount Lemmon, and takes about an hour from Tucson to drive up here. Having been up and down here numerous times in different seasons, you know, fall is beautiful, the leaves change, it's crisp, cool, frosty mornings. Summertime, obviously gorgeous. You get the monsoon, so you will get afternoon rains. The other day, for instance, Tucson was 108 or 109. I got up here, it was about 82. So the cabin was built by Fred Pace. He was a builder architect in Tucson for many years. He built fire stations, a lot of industrial buildings. It was his personal cabin, he and his wife. The cabin unfortunately burned down in the big fires in like 2002, 2003. It was rebuilt in 2004. So you're getting a new old cabin, which is kind of good. And quality was well done because being an architect and a builder himself, Mr. Pace ensured it was really well built. We have a ski lift and there's a ski hill. We do get snow, so hang out here, go sledding, go skiing on the ski hill. Walk down to the little village of Summer Haven, several restaurants. Beyond Bread just opened in the Mount Lemmon Lodge, which is beautiful. Some little shops and tons of hiking trails, biking trails, Rose Canyon Lake if you want to go fly fishing. If you have a four-wheel drive, hit the back road, go down the dirt, and end up in Oracle. I know everybody's sick and tired of hearing about Airbnbs, but Airbnb the heck out of this thing. Airbnb it for cash flow in between. When you're using it, you could just Airbnb it. Tons of opportunity.